Hi, I'm Bethany from California Backyard. And one of my most asked questions is how we do our decorative bows. And I'm going to show you exactly how we do that. All right, first case first, we're going to pick a ribbon. We have a variety of different kinds. We even have indoor and outdoor ribbon. As you can see, this one is lined with a plastic liner. And so that one is for outdoors and it can endure the weather. Then I'm going to come over onto this side. We have lots of different decisions and choices. Let's see. So there's many varieties of different types of bows you can do. As you can see, this one I have here has 4 loops, a center, and 2 tails. And that's what I'll be showing you today. We have other ones that are similar, like this bow, where it's going to have 4 loops on either side, a center, and 2 tails. All right, and now we're going to go ahead and eyeball kind of the same length. You can also measure them by putting your fingers in here and just double checking the length on those guys. And I can see I got them pretty close. So I'll go ahead and stick the ribbon between my fingers once more, the pointer and the middle finger, and we'll just kind of scrunch that up and we'll give it one more twist. And we'll go ahead and switch that twist back into our pinchers. I'm losing it. There we go. And so once more, we have the ribbon facing this way. All right. And just for the, this is going to be for the 2 looped bows. So that next one, we're just going to kind of make it similar. You can make it bigger or smaller. I try to get it a little bigger. And I'll go ahead and put it in my fingers again, pinch it and twist it. And we're gonna go ahead and pop this guy back up. And you can always straighten out your loops. And so we got this guy. And the same thing, you can go back in here, double check your loops, making sure they're the same length. Make sure that you're pulling them within the same level with the middle of your bow, because you want them to be exactly the same. And you just pinch and you'll twist it once more. This time we're going to twist downward, and that's going to be so our tail goes downward. Now that we finished that and we have both of our tails, so we have 2 loops on each side in the middle portion, we're going to now take our floral wire and we're going to put it right through by my thumb in the first middle loop, and then we're going to go ahead and wrap that around. I'm going to go ahead and pull this way and pull this over. So now I've got the wire wrapped in all those knots, and we're just gonna go ahead and twist it and lock it in. And you can go ahead and straighten those wires. And now, well, I flattened it a little bit, but we can fluff it out. And now you have a decorative bow, ready to go decorate your house. And we'll just cut off the ends. Gonna make sure that these are gonna be the same length, and then we'll go ahead and cut this guy. And then the best part of doing the ends, you can fold it in half, and then you're gonna want to cut a V or a line, diagonal line, going from the middle going down to the ends, and that'll give you a nice V cut. And we'll do that on both sides. All right, and there's your bow, ready to go on any tree, house, wreaths, everything.